Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. One of the most important part of photography is photo editing or color grading. If you want to get a good output of your photo, then color grading is very important. But you have to spend a lot of time for color grade a photo properly. But in this video, I would like to talk about how to get cinematic dark effect in a photo just in one click. Okay, so today I'm gonna use Photoshop Lightroom application. Okay, so first of all, install this application in your mobile phone. You can install it from Play Store. And now open your Photoshop Lightroom application. Basically today I'm going to talk about how to use a preset properly. Okay, so first of all, open this preset or raw image. I'll give its link in my video description, so feel free to use it. Okay, so click here to open an image. And first of all, open this preset. Okay, as you can see, one photo successfully imported. Now again, go to gallery from here and open an image. Which one you want to color grade? Suppose I want to color grade this one, so I'm gonna open this one. Okay, now first of all, open this preset image and tap on these three dots, then copy settings, and here just tap on this corner. Okay, as you can see, settings copied. Now open your image and again tap on these three dots, and here tap on paste settings. As you can see, it's changed into a cinematic dark mode. But sometimes a preset doesn't work properly on an image. So what you have to do, just go to Light and make some custom settings for your own image. As you can see, it's a bit dark on the face, so we have to make it brighter. Okay, first of all, increase some exposure, then decrease some contrast. It's actually depend on your image. Okay, increase some highlights, increase some white, decrease some shadows. That's it. Now I think it's looking good than before. Okay, now to save it into your gallery, just tap on this share option and then export as, change it to JPG, and tap here to export it in your gallery. Now go to gallery and check the final output. I hope this video gonna be very helpful for you. If you wanna get more videos like this and if you wanna get more free presets, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.